Hey guys, my name is Brianna and welcome to my channel. I'll be giving my mom box braids with this pre-stretched expression hair, and the color is 1B/27. And I braided my own hair as well by mixing different colored braiding hair, so if you want to see that tutorial, the link will be in the description. And I'll be using 3 packs of the expression hair, which was purchased from my local hair store. I'll also be using Shine and Jam and argan oil. So, to start off the braid, I put Shine and Jam on her roots and a little bit of argan oil throughout her hair, but since her hair was pretty straight, I didn't use much of the argan oil. Then I took a small section of braiding hair, divided it into 2 even parts, and overlapped and connected them, creating 3 sections. Then I split her real hair into 2 sections and connected the braiding hair. I braid the hair pretty tight when starting the braid off so that the braid doesn't come out or get loose. Then I just braid the hair down all the way to the ends as normal. Now this video isn't really much of an in-depth box braiding tutorial, but I have plenty of videos like that already on my channel, so I'll link them in the description as well. But thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't get my face wet.
I'm not gonna get your face wet. I probably could have had you sit down and then do it.
Too late now.
I don't ever become a woman.
How was he gonna become a woman?
I'm gonna become a woman.
Even if he was a woman, he wouldn't have. He doesn't have our hair texture.
If he was black.
So, Robbie, don't become a black woman. Don't change your race. Let's be honest. I really don't know what I'd be doing when I be dinner. But you're okay. Deep breaths.
What do you do after you're done dipping? That's it.
Put mousse.
Oh.
It's like it's a million days on plants.
You want it smaller.
I know. I'm happy I didn't get them small because it feels like it's a million. It's a lot, right?
Not really. It's more than what you have. Yeah, it's not like a lot though. It's less than what I have, but more than what Raymond has. Alright, now, hold up. I gotta put the mousse on it.
Water loosens the scalp too.
Oh, I don't know. You're annoying, Raymond. I've never put mousse with somebody else here, but this is what they be doing on YouTube.
Is this the right mousse?
I don't know.
Okay.
She hopes so. I got it off Amazon.
She just winging it.
No, I used it on my hair once. I don't really think it did anything, but that's what all the pros say to do, so.
The YouTube pros.
That's what I'm gonna do. Nice.
Was it a lot of flowers?
I'm not cutting too much of the hair. Some people trim every fly away after they do each braid.
I know they go to each piece in it. I've been seeing them on YouTube. They go to each individual piece.
Yeah, not me though.
Even the hairstyles, when you go to the salon to get it done.
I don't trim mine. I just let them be.
Alright, thank you. Alright, that's how we do the rest.
Oh, wait. I need to do a 360 in the light.
Okay.
Alright, turn around. Okay, turn around.
It's gotta be extra.
Girl, stop moving.
Alright, there you go.
I ain't get look. I ain't get look.
Nice.
Alright.
You can go talk to Papa in the kitchen.
Ooh. Alright. It's gonna be a little, you know, a little bit, but not a lot.
I know this is overwhelming, but you're gonna be alright, man.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Rob, for being photographer,
Yeah.
videographer, all the good stuff.
Do you want to close it up?
My legs. Yeah.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.